Hey everyone, today I'll be removing the door panel and replacing the speakers on this GLC. So first you have a T25 bolt that's up here and another one up here. So here's my T25, let's get to work. Okay, so removing the first T25, and here for the second one. For the door card, imagine there are clips on the sides of the door, so I'm just prying with my fingers around the door. The sides, the bottom, and then the other side. And ultimately, this door card will feel loose. For the black trim piece at the top, I pry from the window side and then pry inward. I lifted up the door panel a bit more to clear this, and I had to have the window down to be able to do it, but now that's out. I have one stubborn clip all the way back there that won't come out, but I'm able to access the speaker. So we're gonna put my finger through this yellow tab here, and after pulling, the wire comes out. Next, I just used a flat tip to pry out the speaker. I'll pop that out. Okay, so the speaker's out now. So now, out of curiosity, here's the match by Audio-Tech Fisher versus the bass speaker. This is probably like 6 times heavier than this one. And then we're going to align all the holes. Push. Okay, so all 3 are pushed in, and then we'll put this in here. That's in place. I am curious about what it sounds like. Now to push the door back into place, we're just going to hit all the snappers. T25s go back into place. Here is one of them, and here is the second one. The second one's a bit more difficult. Okay, and for this piece here that hooks in the door, what you'll see is this goes right under the door card, and then back here, the teeth go inward like this. So first, we'll put it in at an angle, and then we'll hook the teeth in, then wrap around towards the window side. And there you go, speaker installation done.